Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Shidou in Azure Latch only way. Start by setting up a safe practice latch. Focus on timing, breathing, and consistent repetition until the motion feels natural. Practice short sessions daily, prioritize form over speed, and use a mirror or camera for feedback. Track progress with simple metrics and adjust small variables like angle and force to refine technique. Stay patient and persistent. Start slow and deliberate to teach your body the exact pathway of Shidou within the Azure Latch. Break the full motion into micro steps and perfect each segment before chaining them together smoothly. Use short daily drills, 5 to 10 minutes each, and gradually increase speed while holding form. Record sessions, so you can objectively spot tiny errors and celebrate small wins to maintain motivation and focus. Relaxation and controlled pacing solve many common problems with Shidou in Azure Latch. If motion feels jerky, reduce speed and remove excess tension in surrounding muscles. Check alignment, adjust angles slightly, and prioritize sensory feedback over raw power to regain control. Allow recovery between sessions and review recordings to correct persistent mistakes, and remember that steady.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.